come to the topic. So, Ibra full long time ago, about 1 month ago, me, I discipline Ibra already. Tackle, I discipline Ibra already. But before we go there, we will go that matter inside. And I get some boys be for Ghana. If people want me to mention your name and discipline you, I will take on life and I will ship you. Me, Sakawasi Kano, Unkwedi. Unkwedio, na okwa, na wako. La go die. And don't be my matter. Once we did, everybody for respecting hustle. Me, my farm a day, make a focus on my crops. If you come into my farm where my snake bites you, I no go take you go hospital. You know go take yourself go hospital. Same way if you dey your farm, where I come there where snake bites me, you know you go take me go hospital. Because you know say me say la for come your farm, la for can't get snake bite. You understand? Now make you go straight to the point. Now, what Ibra do be yawa? If yawa happen where you pay the go down, I go down. You know, be saying now where you they can't bring people down. He talk this matter, I can't talk him. Can't talk, I can't this some way. I can't see Bema, guy why then what bottom. So honorable Kennedy Japan, no cranny say boys in it. Usu be diom with chia, ubechi bebre. It's a fact. Because Ibre ya uchini, Ibra nyame shisha ni why you ready say uchina. Only kofwe ko down no, a dosun. You understand? A dosun. So honorable Kennedy Japan, ya pawacho, Ibra dia forgetting no. You understand? Forgetting no. Election time, I know say you people things they your front. Ibra they can't distract. Munjanu na mun focusing. What I say, mun focusing. So this be me talking on behalf of all the game boys. With them they Ghana. Your level where they talk. It no be me and you they do the tackle low. But also may come out. Yes, you can quite chie. Usike ni na ukasanko phone tie wo. Bema unim ni entia. Adwene da utimuno enso. La pocket big. La malam tall. But la sense no get. What you say, it be true, it be fact. And we they give you respect because unsu will failed. You failed yes, unsu nim tackle to get money. But some of us too, we get big brain. Where if we talk, the youth they listen. If we talk, people they pay attention, they listen. We get followers, we know reach but if we wake up early morning, we know they ask nobody for breakfast. I know they can't stand somebody in there, ask them say, oh Pana, give me breakfast, make I go chop, or give me lunch, make I go chop. Some of the game boys are they warn you. If somebody they diss you people for Snapchat, listen and listen very, very carefully. And listen very, very carefully. Me KOD. Everybody on Facebook know me. If I want this you, I don't care about the money you get. I don't care about who you know. Me I go this you. Take me can wasem. But say we can wasem now phone sriwa. Me can wasem. I don't hide. Me hide it that. Since the time people know me hide it that. So if me KOD, I give somebody shout out. Ibrahim Mata Kam. Tieniye. Now for a drink to home before you people, my next video, if you fool again, I will start to mention you people your name. Where you people, I get your diary for that. I get your diary for that. Sasem na banu musuro. I be you all week. Nothing go happen. Car racing, womb. But people still they do car racing. Omuya car racing now. Obika to me bo, ema car neshi, ema niwu, me boa. So, but still people they do the car racing. Still the racing they go on. It be same thing. If be racing you people to go, Ibra crash it, Munjan wo Munja Ibra wo mun focus on car racing, risk room, you know the risk involved in the thing they do. Focus they do. You know what I'm saying? Now the thing happen, now when you start the fear. No, Bema, it be the hustle, day inside, la for die. There where you take your money for, there where you buy your range for, there where you build your house for, they there, unless you know where you won't accept, say, Bema, Ejuma, we mean yebium. But so long as you still do this thing, same level, same business, you for no say risks day inside. You for no say risks day inside. So if matter come, the only thing that you have to do is to remain calm. None of you should even respond to Ibra. You they respond to Ibra, it means say you said something there your chest you won't clear. Ono na muko car racing and a car crashing. If you people be mature, don't respond to Ibra or don't respond to whatever somebody they do. You do so, and they get your matter outside more. And they educate you people. You the game boys where you go talk somebody my matter. You go talk somebody my matter. I hear that matter. I just don't want to disgrace you people. I don't want to mention you put your name. Those boys so where you go give somebody matter. I get the list. My next video you put try again. My next video you go film them. And I said more Ghana me wa. One be lusu. Me your video I mean sweat you. Me ye video I mean sweaty. Mo UK oh. The weather na good. La ampit, la calm, la no sweat oh, la straight, la talk. Me wien so awoa because na benz ba kum dia koto edwane aba. So make I give you post some warning. If somebody they do something, Ibra come or somebody they share something they do, remain calm, it go fade away. If you say you can't be asem, if you say na you can't be asem. But if you want to make somebody can do damage control for you, if you start they accuse some people, make the car attack, hey, you go feel attack KOD. You go feel attack. But me, if I dey talk, I dey talk. Oh, me if I dey talk, I know they hide. Oh, everybody know me. Me if I dey talk, I know they hide. If I dey talk, I know they hide. It's cold here. I don't sweat, and I can talk for 5 hours. I don't sweat. You see Taju Jima, he be street king. He know me. Taju know say me KOD. If somebody do me something, he pay me. Where I can't lie for. I don't hide behind camera. I dey talk. I dey tell you my mind. Because some of the Game Boys for Ghana fool too much. One must secret the timu. All because of scam. You must secret the timu. You post to regardless. Muna mama Ghana here. You put to do your thing. Everybody they respect your hustle. But the first say who must secret did you what utimu na udi Jimmy. They take the see people small boy. Who did the thing conform mechi. They take people them are women from them. They take the fua. Bema over feeling. You go feel them. We go make you know say upon your money or you go feel the heat. We make KOD. If I want make you feel the heat, I go talk them live. Make you understand, say, I talk I'm live. I go attack you live. I go mention your name live. I know they hide behind camera. You people all know how they hide behind camera. So the Game Boys, me, I they tell you people, the job where you do, risk day inside. And you have to be ready for the risk. If you not be ready for the risk, Juma na ye Mason. Jai na ye with Mason. Juma na mo yano, mo ko banko fo humo. Nkofo nim say, we all call kahun, we all call kahun. Enti ma asemba no be be ka baby a. The best thing for do be say ignore. Ignore the stay focused. But be ka na mo mpene. Mo be say mo fa mo na mo di ma adwe bobo ho. Na mo di ma adwe bobo ho nipa we na ama nipa we yesi. Nipa we na ama nipa we yesi. Bema, you know go so see me Snapchat. I'm getting to 1 million views. The boy where you people they claim say are they behind that account? If me are they behind that account, the people for fear me. Because that account has been less than 24 hours. The guy they get about 900,000 to 1 million. You for fear. You for fear. The guy, give the guy shout out because they talk about Ibra. I don't know the guy. I don't know the account. So if anything, oh, this guy KOD self give a shout out before. So you know what? Make we call KOD. Make he talk to him guy. Because the guy, nobody know him. Nobody know him. The guy they talk about Ibra. Right now, the guy they talk about boys. He the small boys. So guys, make somebody contact KOD. Because the guy, he said KOD self he give a shout out where he blow. He be this thing say I forgive somebody shout out. If it this thing, I forgive somebody shout out. Where you people go they tell Taju say be me and Taju we dey behind that account. Me and Taju we dey behind that account. Hey, Chairman, Ghana Chairman, Tamale Chairman, I beg you, oh, me KOD, if I won't fire you, I dey meet you one-on-one. Oh, ask Ibra. We are go frustrate you. Ibra, frustrate them. I frustrate them. I frustrate them. What I say, I frustrate them. So guys, I beg you. If you they think say you be charmer, so if matter come, Bema, and I make catch him say tackle na mo no. Tackle na mo no. Tackle na mo no. Go for whom? Mukoba de bian go for whom? And yani papa ku ne whom? Muchemu aka no mudi abobɔ ho. Mudi de abobɔ ho. Ka no mudi mbobɔ ho. Enti se mudi mbobɔ ka no. So obi ka wa asɛm a and for what dream for Uncle Casse, if you are killed in Pemasem, and to kill the Namani Pani yet the air come asem. Bema, you do so, dear, me baby, I can home. Me, you can't to shall be anymore. Bema, be anymore. I tell you, I tell you, be enemy, you can't count more, come to me. I tell you, but I still the chop. So if what they think say, hey, you see, you should your mama, oh no, but true, me them no go see one video, may catch hell on document. So, Chama, don't try me. I respect you people all. You say the boy where they do that Snapchat mention some Game Boys them a name. You know mention some Game Boys them a name. And the people where the boy no mention them a name, KOD know them. So since KOD know them, they be KOD where they behind back. We know they won't mention those boys them a name. We make them mention somebody name. Why the card boy? We are Juma boy. Why the card boy? I won't see your ID card. Who ID card was him? Who ID card? I beg you. Make you not make a cam your cam. Make you not leave me for where you see me for. Me da onum no bema. Me da onum no me jare ye. Me numu nsio. Me nchichi me si jami wo. Don't wake me up. Nsio na endorse mo fie. Mame fa njare. Mami, for Njari, leave me for where you meet me. Chama, I dey beg you people, leave me for where you meet me. Leave me. If you not be so dear Lamui, oh. If you not be so Lamui, big ups to Tajujima. But Taju go tell you, we know they hide behind camera, oh. So Chama, you say I come Facebook Live, I know they mention you put your name. Me, I go fit mention your name, make them laugh you, oh. Aha, the fastest street make hot. Asem neba Ghana for kasa, the boys ne yedi ya grow 24 hours now fade. We all know. Asem ne basia 24 hours now fade. What I say? So ujitum Ibra asem basia boys be boys din. It be normal. People go take food 24 hours now chill. As a game boy, it's part of the game. You should be able to endure it. Oh yes, you should be able to endure it. Eba no way you win it. No way you win it. In Kofoka, no way you win it. Make you no go say you go fight them. We go in mercy. It be fact. Unye scammer. Are you not a scammer? Unye fraud boy. Unto tikiti man go for. Undi girls. You know they chop the stars. Can't you talk say you know they do. You know they chop the stars. You know they chop the stars. Make you don't make a tough for Chatawali 7 voice inside. Make you don't make a start tough for Chatawali 7 voice inside. Hey, don't try that. Make you make a start. You know they chop the stars. You know you buy tickets, give people. You know you buy tickets, give people. Or you want me to mention your name first? La talk, oh. La next time, la go mention name. Big up to Tajujima. Wherever you dey. Aha, video ni ma share. Bani a chama ni kano. And you crow. Chama. Aha. We, if you want to talk them a matter, we go talk them direct to their face. Aha. We, our snap forget. Oh, my whole life, I not chop $1 million before. I not even see that money before. But we dey control things. Why? Because of our brain. So Chame, me KOD, if I want to talk your matter, I go talk for your face. I not go talk for your back. I not go talk for your back. What you say? Now, make I set some records straight. Make I mention some names. Make them see say, regardless of everything, I get love for them. What you say? Aha. Ube se ujiji ntokwa. Ye unkofubi muha ye njiji mtokwa. If you see them pass, lion don't step until top. It could chew you basa basa basa. Some of the boys, the so-called game boys, out of love, we show you people love. You pay us back with evil, and you people know what you do. But if you people start the fool, the issue never about to Facebook. Make KOD, if I talk, I know they take some from inside. Make everybody judge and see, say, oh, KOD, you fuck up. Or KOD, no, you know, you fuck up. That chairman fuck up. One mistake where then chairman they make. Say, can they Joe Mutimu Sahabi say, if they deal with them a party self, they won't chop in girl. Or if they deal with them a party self, they say they fit send you. Hey, regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. Regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. Regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. What you say? That be one thing where you people for learn. You people for learn that thing. It be self-discipline. Your uncle for be promote scout, but my din. Your uncle for be promote scout, but my din. Snapchat. The reason why some of the game boys for Ghana they fall be say you people they do unnecessary competition among yourself. This person say in house be whatever. Somebody in mother be useless. Somebody in mother day village. Somebody no fit buy in mother this. If you people know they cause your matter, well, if you people know go make they go catch you people. If you people know go give yourself problem. If you people want compete, it has to be a motivational competition. It shouldn't be to the point say some people say they call people them are clients. Some people say can't post slip. Somebody go call the bank, tell the bank say any transaction 600,000 or 800,000 is a scam. The person is from Ghana. This is what some of the boys they do for Ghana. So you people be the cause of your own downfall. There be anybody that cause you for your downfall. Nobody they cause you for your downfall. If people know they cause your own downfall. But Kennedy Japan, the whole Ghana they beg you. Me Kennedy Japan, me recently I can't like your matter pass. Me Kennedy I blast time before. Now me Kennedy I can't like him matter because Kennedy, if we get Kennedy like 30 for Ghana, we go prosper. Me Kennedy Japan again you know I never message him before because I don't know what media I'm gonna talk. You know be my friend. But I they like what they do. If somebody get hard give Ghana. Whatever they do is correct. But Kennedy, me Kennedy, they beg on behalf of the Game Boys. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Make them there. Leave them alone. If you say go touch one, you for touch all. And I'm Game Boys, man, you careful, not Kennedy, Jai Pastor. Not starting Game Boys. Le Woo, Bank of Ghana. Money they come inside. Tracing. Yanchu wa high, bet you wa how. Say Kennedy, Jai Pastors. No, but Game Boys, Le Woo. Because mube brave. Kana muchino. Normal place na machuchabu in any system. But in more town. And God bless the national security. Like you people, I forgive you big ups. God bless national security. Whoever they work for national security, God bless them for the work them they do. God bless them. If they see anybody they work for national security, take respect, give them. Because them they do serious job. Them they do see. Don't think say then they joke. Ghana and robbers, if they catch you, then they kill you straight. So Ghana security, big ups to you people for the great job you they do. God bless you people. Big ups. Make you not make this foolish Ibra go make you people go put your eye for the Game Boys that matter for Ghana. So guys, respect the police and blah 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 blah. Hey, regardless of how they know the boys, if you them know they protect Ghana. If you them know they protect Ghana. What you here? So guys, make we respect each other as brothers. Make we respect each other. Make some of the Game Boys stop the form big boys. But the game people they inside. Some people they, if you hear them a matter. If you hear them a matter, respect them. Me, the Game Boys are no plenty. I see plenty before. Are they among business? You see the Game Boys always you see them around me. Business say KOD on him typing. Business say KOD on him typing. Maybe some Game Boy be can dey around me. Then some boy be go see. Oh KOD dey with Chama. Oh KOD then tell Chama say so and so. What was our level no? But all the Game Boys I ever meet for my life. Business say you and KOD do business before. KOD no typing. Masa, omoba hanum bia, ye pese ye chiro modo. Make I tell you people something. Omoba hanuma, ye pese ye chiro modo. If they can't hear, forget who you know for here. Ube UK. Now ni mobia, original year, la banku. They know, ask them, Satan is me at all. La banku. So then come, oh Charlie, these boys, them they respect them for street. So Oma by UK, Charlie, make we show them love. They don't give me money, oh, it be love. I tell them, we they show love to each other. What you say? We they show love to each other. Then come down. Oh, Charlie, your chama for baton and your fe. Not gonna phone where chama, la respond there. Biz Wale say, Wale go tell you. Biz Wale say, the Game Boys, so the big boys always see me. If they can't hear, hey, Charlie, I feel take 2 weeks off work. Plenty of people say they talk, KOD service say the Game Boy. KOD say, I tell you. If they can't hear, I feel take 1 week off work. We go talk. Charlie, we go meet. Charlie, we go meet. Okay, OD, we go meet. Then if they can't hear, then we all. What you say? Then we all. Then we start to chill, they do things. You know they mean say of that somebody fool. What you say? Charlie, nobody they feed nobody. Oh. That be one people for put for your head inside. Nobody they feed nobody. Where KOD or no beka? KOD, you know they dilute them. KOD, I know they dilute them. Because if you are saying, this word, be brain a wakono, be brain a wakono. Sika for crap in a year or mubusi munya. You will see any be crop as any background, yes, stable nya. Shedanka Williams ba. Papa ninya crank, a colano credit if you uncle baby. Shadi or the yani papa. So life, however you see yourself, you be somebody. However you see yourself, you be somebody. So far as you get sound mind, you be somebody. What you say? Emma Obi, Emma who say you know be anybody. What you say? Big ups to you. Hey, Taju Street Chief. Big ups to you. I always respect you. You call me today. We send each other audio. We explain things, give each other. What you say? Taju, wherever I go see Taju, wherever I go see him, leave him for there. Don't wake him up, leave him for there. That guy, last Street Chief. Oh no, Kama Street no. Uchama hombon Taju nenimo. Uchama motio munkoya chairman nim. Uchama boxers ye four Taju onim. Make a chiro Taju la Street Chief. You know, beside they fear Taju. We know be say Taju they fear me, but we they respect each other. So if Taju hear something, yeah, see, if you got Taju no go come mention my name, this me oh. Never, I dey tell you, never. He go call me. Oh, Massa, so and so are here. How true? He knows I go tell him, oh, big man, Charlie, if he so and so, so we go sort them later. If you know be true, I go tell him, forget them. Then my mother said, go forget them. I know me. What you say? We be respect. So Chama. Some of us bet me your ID card though. Chama bet me your ID card. Chama, you go fit JID. Chama labanku. Chama, bet me your ID. Chama, you bet me ra office oh. You bet shaking hand oh. Chama won to me oh. Usika no be jina bontin. You do places be a ID card na ko. Chama waso be eshi wo. Forget your money. Forget your money. Obetina jina bontin atwen. So Chama, you do humble yourself. Some places there no play go. Play the boys they Ghana then do me dirty. Where me I no be clean. Me too I do people things where it will no good. We all be human. But it takes a matured man to accept say I have offended my brother and say sorry. It be something where plenty of the Ghana boys them no know. Plenty of the so-called chief them no know. Of the so-called Chama them no know how to say sorry. How to say I am sorry. Then they see say money, sake of money, come up for there. You be who? And they talk, you they talk. Come up for there. Hey, Chama, la who, la behave. If not, KOD, they go bring you on KOD station. I they tell you, I'll bring you on my station. I will bring you on my station. Now, no banku for any chairman, no. No banku for any chairman. No banku. You won't tolerate that bullshit anymore. The young girls waiting for marry, you put it there, they chop them. You chop them, they give them sickness, they work for them. Chama for most of the chairmans have condoms, have them no they use. Protection have them no they use. You tell them they spread gono and things for Ghana there. If they talk, they can't fool. Don't make somebody bring your matter for my station. Ube Johnny. Junior Kennedy, if they take your side, we to Abi Kennedy, Junior Kennedy for street. Make them bring your matter for my TV station. Make them bring your matter for KOD TV station. Ube two bobo. Let them bring your matter on KOD TV station. Ube Johnny. Respect yourself so the young boys can respect you. If you don't want to respect yourself, the young boys go disrespect you. Don't they there they disrespect somebody. My next video, if people don't stop the bankun, my next video, Chama, I go mention names. We are get the list. And then as a fake account or whatever they call himself they do, where you people they verse, they complain, no. You know be that. Me never. Me I know they hide behind camera. Junior KOD, street Junior KOD. If they bring your matter for street, no bankun. What I say, stay focused. Big ups to Kennedy. Kennedy say Ibra be mental problem he gets. I sure say maybe you go can't address him say oko mukrano or unsa krano. You see not our mental problem. So he doesn't know why he has to waste his time on somebody with mental problem. Ebe Jano, maybe they will put Ibra on treatment. And now baby. Mon who think kwasi asem sa na odi osi or baby ane ne beda sa this be what go this be your ending. You go start to get mental problem. You dey see Ibra. You say you there you go attack everybody. Unsu na war on no. Unsu na war on you go attack everybody. It be mental problem you go get. We would like to send a big apology on behalf of the street. I'm the youth president and no one can take that. Me and Taju. On behalf of all the youth and the streets, we would like to apologize to the president of Emikra Mengba. The president of the Republic of Ghana say, we are sorry. Forget Ibra. The disrespect, we don't know where he got it from. But Nana Akufo-Addo, Daddy, we beg you, forget Ibra. We know that you go surprise Ghanaians very soon. Kroma eshi there. Kromo dia eshi. Nanado ye wu benku boys ni wu ejume ni ho. But I believe say la Nanado go do show. Kennedy Japan. We are sorry on behalf of the youth. We are very sorry. KOD, I like to on behalf of all the Game Boys. Omunye bema them be Game Boys. Omunjintum. Taju say them be businessmen. That be Taju in angle. My angle omunye Sakawa boys. When no matter no businessman, no matter edin Sakawa ne dia ma GSS4 no. So GSS4 no ne work cafe no muso omunye Sakawa boys. Omunye omo sisi 2 bedroom. E dey Chingana say businessman. Big respect to them. At least mu dis scanner here at the papa. Mu bottles mu cock club bottles no mu to make ton be 50. Na mu hwe good Rolex, na mu didi nkofo ma me mo atem. Na mu didi broke boys, na mu didi the money be your own. Next time they can't take am from you. Next time they can't take them from you. So on behalf of all the youth, Mr. Kennedy Japan, ya power boys need also be doing with Chidia or Mobe Chrom. But yes, here, aha, or Mobe Chrom. So ya power me killed me a youth president, my bobra, Nyamia Dum, aha, browsing, no, Nyami, and yes, I can browsing, no, make come home. Aha, my new Juma and get the Ankameye, Nana do end because I'll send me my mean Didi, I'll send me Papa the NDD. So end me Fimu, so it don't be full time. So Ladado, we beg you, Kennedy Japan, we beg you. Why? Facha ye nu anumu, fachom, omanye ni ye. Anka Ibra ya kosi problem amu bia aden. Ibra no, sesia no, wako down. Boys ni feel juma nko biom. Because omusi or touchy, udi juma kwa no abese udin. So out of frustration, I say, hey, Ibra so by your okono, he won't do am say he won't bring everybody in. Obia nyeshe. Chama, the dinner moon was snap ni mo. Tajine beka enim kwa sia game boy. Those are me and amaba me damage control mamu. E dinner moon was snap. You see FBI in Ghana o. Mo live mu life. Na FBI oba Ghana cry monte. Game na ye wo mu no. Aha, bibi be si at any time e be si. What you say, ABC, she knew I'll be to me. Any other for hash papi akono. Ono cry a bonfire man and say, Yaminya de, Yamin fi BBM. ABC, FBI in Ghana. Live your life normal. Ibra na kodin in kwasi asem, and I can de Japan air punishing. So live your life. I beg you, enjoy. If you go if you be true, say they go catch you. No matter how you go wear protective gloves, apron, wear boots, they go catch you. No matter where you go they go catch you. If your time reach, where they say they go catch you, they go catch you. Aha. So in India, you can't do anything. But right now, anybody go tell you, an FBI, and list, and blah, blah, blah. List BR no day nowhere. Me KOD they talk. List BR no day somewhere. So charming ebimu, already ma paki munyama mwe sita male kwanso amoko. Munsa mwe chimbra, na cry is safe. Munsa mwe china munye de, mumbra, a cry is safe. Aha, problem be any baby de moboko. Aha. But ya say wafa unyama, na wafa car, no we sitemale kwanso, na woko. I beg you, la come back. Accra la safe. Accra, no problem. Accra la safe. Me pa ma chocha ma bima, mo tutu akoshe mu ma mu fie. Mo tutu akoshe mu ma mu fie, pa cho mu fi tokro ni mu bra. Mu ma mi fie no usiesie na odi esi share wa, anka okọ ye ni fifrent o. Udi sikani nyina ko slay queen wako renti efia ma no wo slay gon won the way awaso ayeshi ye ba ye ni de we ja slay gon fie no $2 million no akotina wo ma mincha AC ni abobo won the way awo sweaty ye no anajo won the way awo sweaty ye la come back Accra la save FBI la dey not dey town if dem dey town safer you no go know they will catch you go la tamale they say no la for come back I beg you, like for come back. We the youth self of the Republic of Ghana, we create some movements where we call them the Ghana Youth Empowerment. Ghana Youth Empowerment. We see where they're going to go, how they do things. We create Telegram group. We get over 1,300 people for them. These be the things where some of you Game Boys, oh, the youth, they won't do something. Oh, Charlie, the youth come together. The Game Boys, will they sponsor you people? So if your matter self came self, Kennedy go talk, oh, and your boy we no go ye donation ma ono. But when you say Kawasikana, no de dim kwasi asem dia dim mechi sa na sa. Ye be chichimu ana musuro. Ye be chichimu ana musuro. You for pay. You dey hustle. You know say this thing they do you no good. But God, nothing there for do am. You dey get money. Instead of you to donate, do things, the youth, you gather them. Youth movement. Now I gather. Bibi na mo kosi. Munyina mo di sika bomb. Game Boys mo di sika bomb. Oh, you people, you know yourself. Boys ni nyina na mo di sika bomb. Na mo nyabe $200,000. Na mo di akosi bibi. Na mo di mudia to so. At least mo suro mo real name cry. Na mo di mo nicknames atoto so. Ba on be for 70 million. They akoto car number plate. You don't do that. If they can't catch you, then now they run. Because Uncle Ye Bibia, assembly bar, Kennedy Becker say, oh, you know, these guys say, we go do this thing for this place. You know, this person said, we go do something for this place. So, youth, you keep stay focused. One can, one who to mean can, also be can. Obi and can, aha. You see, some of you, maybe you know, if they talk, the boldness no day. Aha, but be calm. You also piano pano be cano. What you say? Me, I be bold. I be bold. That be where I dey, where I dey. That be where I dey, where I dey. I mean, so yeah, me off it TV in the mouth. One ko be di nkwasi asem oko. I go make sure say I dey block am. Oko. My blocking pa. Uye ya TV ni die me off na mouth sisi a. What you say? Me off na mouth sisi a. So Ghana, come together, the youth, come together and do something for your country. Now, every day you are saying the government is not building the country, but Sika youth need the back room no, and you more than Sika cry government cry kofabra. Munye bibi mama aban, say ne be ya munya asema ma aban to me hwe so mamu. No banku, no banku. Tajubeka to your street dues. Your street dues enye ma bottom. Your street dues is doing something for the country. Your street dues, hospital, school now, ceiling leaking. Your street dues, is to go there and go and change their roofing. Me killed him in Jobia 200,000. Me 2002, 2003 na yema me no. And no ana me di biya de 80 me bills ni me nyama ni me fie kani nyama no. So me so kakra me manu me ma street no mombo 100. Na ma mo bia na me yi 1,000 Ghana na ma chiche. E pa che se nyame dom me na me nya $100,000. Sa na me yi $20,000 ache e di amankofo. E be so the street day. And yes, me bana me see me yemomu a ebru me so I dey see say somebody there somewhere, if they get 100, go give him more than 50 Ghana for house. You will give him more than 50 Ghana for house. So street now you want it there. Oh, bia. If you see say somebody they talk you the matter, tell us say this guy he no go mind you. Wabo bra. Akrano or see before baby few no. This is the requirement. Also we juma papa ye. A juma na o ye no. He has to be recognized by a state or a country. Unisa ID card now be fike their own few. It also wo fear ultimu. It also at least 2 or 3 developments they go on. Esa ke do can say my own few who wonechi. He no go mind you. If he mind you, he drag himself back. If he mind you, he drag himself back. So Snapchat edino nipa no eye we no. The person me I make it blue. Everybody for Snap no. Right now, if he snaps 7 hours, they get over 20,000. This is the way they post and me I make it blue. So you did there. If somebody wants spoil you, go fit stop the person from spoiling you. The person still will talk your matter. So God bless all the youth for watching. Those way they share the video, those way they contribute, those way they talk for them. God bless all of them. Big ups to the boys. Big ups to Tajujima, street chief. Oh dear. They be a mouth shout out because I know say you be real. Because Siamen's customers need our money. They can't talk that for you. Make you not make I can't start with you, sir. So guys, God bless all of you. God bless all. Yeah, the assembly eba. The way I be no. Sa na ebe kano. Ye fi bi nka ho. Na ye bi enye de enfimu. Support the youth movement. Support them. The Ghana Youth Empowerment I they talk about, It be the link they Facebook. If you click the link, they the Telegram group inside. Them they put ideas together about how they go clean God test. It no be politics. But if government come where they say they want empower the youth, they want help them, it no be problem. But them no be some people them they talk against government. No, it no be politics for them. But them they take help. If government say 10 people for their day, it won't help them or it won't make them come together, make it give them job do a fine. Ghana Youth Empowerment. So no banku. I beg you the youth. I'm KOD. Before I make no match them about thing. Me ya. Na mu say nye tu no. Ya bo bra kakra. And I bra na ya bo kakra na ya na. You see, you have to be proud of yourself. Says na Kennedy. And I bra na ya bo no. Ya ye hu a ye niji. What you say? Ye hu bra na ye niji. Ye niji o. Ye hu bra na ye niji. So no banku. Oh ye niji. Who hate now see you two no dia ye wasem. And the info be ho. Benz no top. Now one shini year. 2 years later, want me maintain a Danny Corolla S. Danny Corolla S. Enti brand dear ya bo. Bakun sunye. Say dino bobo. Whether you tow you, whether you rent you, near the year you, Bema ya bobra. Would you own out your own our swash, Bema.
enu ni o yabobra se na Kennedy be kano obeche ni fie ni nyama no yenso yabobra so ye ben de be ma wate ho ase se yabobra nti be ma we de la baba yi o la baba yi la bosque audio la Ghana shall prosper la de there la bosque audio so sorry ati ase sorry Benz no esu say ma interior no kra de forget yabobra yes you be chro and yes e bia e too nobody motivate you they didn't motivate you so sorry okay nti mo baba you and the taju and the me ko and the me fro why and me boss ba coupe game boys na aka ne dia mo de mo ba me guam wo social media musika na nyam ni me na edi and the la baba you la baba